Peggy 16.
Acquired a xenotype weapon, similar to our carbine technology. New technology discovered. Augments my weapon with an alternative firing mechanism. Highly effective. This will be useful. Discovered a strange device that is already active. It feels alive. More fabricators. Everything on this planet connects into a larger system. Encountered a small life form. It is parasitically attached to my arm. Does not appear hostile. Somehow, it's strengthening and weakening my suit. Discovered a broken automaton, clutching potential tool. Adding to equipment for immediate use.
PlayStation